Traditional commissioning is like playing a guessing game. Signal blind spots, disconnected devices, troubleshooting is time-consuming and exhausting. You have to hunt them down one by one just to find the weak link. Say goodbye to blind guessing. Sigenergy brings an innovative visual network diagnostic solution. Whether during commissioning or ongoing maintenance, the entire Sigenergy device's network topology leaps onto the screen. A single tap, that's all it takes. Sigen pinpoints the trouble spot instantly, whether it's a SigenMicro on the roof or a battery in the garage. No more searching, just solving. Double your commissioning and maintenance efficiency, and never make an extra trip for network issues again. Sigenergy, innovative, visualized network diagnostics.